So today I'm at home, okay? I need to have a computer day, administration, and search for the parts for the magneto and double check. I found yesterday a video, somebody explaining about the problems of the magneto, and I know a lot, but I can learn some. So I'm always open to learn more. So that's what I want to do now. Yeah, that's my cat, Kira. Yeah, and yeah, let's see. So tomorrow I will be at the garage. So first thing for today, let's weld this one. So drill here, then open up this one, close it up, and weld it again. Yeah, and then the owner will redo the thread here, and yeah. So let's get at it. Open it up, you can see here's the little, the end of the of this crack. Okay, he's drilled. Okay, and then I open it up. Now it's time to weld it. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, the inside is really difficult to clean it up because it has like Loctite, but I think it's epoxy. Yeah, you can see it a little bit there. So I'm gonna try to clean it up just a second now, and then heat it up and weld it. Let's see. So let's see. I'm still a little bit sick, but yeah. So let's see. Right now, yeah, you can see that the weld went through. Well, at least at the first side. At the back I cannot see it. No, I cannot see it through, but for sure it's strong now because I left more material here. So right now what I'm going to do is sharp this one, then reshape this one, polish it, and I will be done with it. The owner will drill again the hole and put the helical in, so voila. So boom, people. And when I say boom, it's because I found out the problem with the crankshaft. Okay, look at that. Hey, oh my god, he's good. Sorry that I said with that voice, but it's like so annoying to me, you know, as a mechanic, when you order something that is brand new. I don't know if it's in camera, hopefully yes, and it's not good. So that's it. That's perfect. That's good. Those are, let's see the name of them, LF Harris. Okay, so those are LF Harris. Those are Epolite, right? If I'm not wrong, yes, Epolite. Hepolite. So this brand, okay? Yeah. Okay. So less Harris, okay? Good. Epolite, not good. Okay? As simple as that. Damn it. Yeah. So yeah, let's do the same one. Let's change this one. And because this one was okay, actually. This one I remember was okay. Now it's loose, of course, but there was one that it was no breaking at all. It was this one, and this one was okay, actually. Yeah. So, but anyways, I'm going to change it. I don't trust this. I'm going to send the video to the person who sold me that and just tell him that he should really look to change those for less errors. Yeah, no for Epolite. So yeah, you even can see. Yeah, I tried to show it last time on the camera, but okay, that's what I noticed. That was like, I don't know. But you can see, wait, I'm going to clean the wood. I'm gonna clean the good one. Yes, okay. So, okay, can you see this one is nice and perfect and it's like a mirror? Okay, these are the Hepolite ones. Okay, you can see that there are like a small scratches, but it's just a pattern of the material. Okay, it's not like there are scratches. It's just the pattern of the material. And this one, you see this one, it's like a mirror almost. So I learned my lesson. I will never use again Hepolite shelves. So yeah, that's it. Okay, let's put it back together. So, voila. Let's get at it. Let's start with this lady right now. This one, this cam. There's nothing wrong with the cam, but the gear, I know this one. The person installed last time this gear before me. They damaged the threads here. Okay, and this one I needed to machine it so I can put my special tool. Okay. You can see there, it's machine it a little bit, okay? This is a one that it doesn't have any problem, so you can see it's sharp, and here is not, okay? So voila, that one was really bad, I remember, and yeah, I could install it, but yeah, to take it out right now, it's really difficult, because I remember when I took this one, the last thread, it was just, yeah, I saw it that I put my tool and it was like pong, and I'm like, okay. So I'm gonna put this one now, okay, for if ever they need to change it again, voila. So I'm gonna heat up this one and then pull it with a puller, and then take this one out, clean everything here, clean the other side. Put the bearings on this one, and then put it all back together. Yeah, so let's go. So let's see. Ta-da, the lady. I couldn't move on that much with this one because I have this problem right now that those are good, but the crankshaft is locked to him. Why? I don't know. I don't know. I open it up 4 times, and every time I close it, then it locks. Normally is that this bearing is not all the way in, or yeah, it's not locked on him or on him, so it means that it's grabbing and then it's locked, but in this case it isn't, so I don't know. I really don't know. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna check it out and you will see the result hopefully next week. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, unfortunately I couldn't do anything about the Dominator yet. I found a few tips about the Magneto, but still I need to test them, and I wanted to get this one half done and put it on the frame. But like always with these ladies, it doesn't go like you want, so so yeah, like always, if you like to help the channel or yeah, help me, and you can do it so by buy me a coffee, and yeah, see you next week. Hopefully next week I can show more. By the way, half of the t-shirts are done now, but they were a production mistake, and the M and S they are not correct, so they need to produce them again. But I have already XL, L, and XXL. Yeah. So yeah, soon it will be online. So poco a poco, moving on. Okay. Okay, see you next week. Ciao, ciao.